I put this up.
You picked up your sandwich?
Like this. Turkey, cheese. What's that?
That's cheese.
Oh.
You want to put your sandwich together so you can have a bite?
And look at that. I like pizza. It's like pizza.
It's like pizza?
Yeah.
Oh. On my elbow.
Turkey. Mmm. Pizza.
Pizza?
I like pizza.
Here, let's not talk while our mouth is all full, okay? Let's chew that turkey on up. Mmm.
Like. I'm kicking my feet.
You're kicking your feet? This isn't swimming lessons.
Mm-hmm. I swim. I swim at lessons.
Okay, finish chewing what's in your mouth. We had fun at our swimming lessons yesterday, didn't we?
Mm-hmm. Oh, pizza.
Scarlett, why do you keep saying that looks like pizza? How does that look like pizza to you? Because it's a triangle?
Yeah.
Oh. I can see that.
Wanna taste this?
I have my own sandwich, thanks.
Wanna taste this?
No thank you.
This.
Understand that. You like mayonnaise?
Huh?
Do you like mayonnaise? That's that white stuff.
Mayonnaise? I don't like it. I paint my toes.
Tell me about your dress again, Scarlett. Tell me about your dress again.
It's pink and yellow. Pink and yellow.
Do you love it?
Pink. Pink. Flat. Oh no, it's going to plaster the.
I know. Where is he right now, though? Is he on vacation? That's quite a blank stare, honey.